Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect LegacyFX to MetaTrader. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through your LegacyFX account or dashboard, and from here you then want to simply create a MetaTrader investor or trading account. So just click on the Trade Now button, and from here you will be able to simply get your account details. Now, the passwords and account information for your legacy account is going to different from your trading account on or inside the LegacyFX. So you want to simply get your trading account or trading credentials right here. As you can see, unfortunately, I'm having some problems with my server on LegacyFX, and from here you can then navigate through the MetaTrader application that you want to connect to. Inside this page, you then want to click on File, click on Open an Account, and then you want to search for LegacyFX. So unfortunately, LegacyFX isn't available on my country, so it will not show up right here. But in your case, you simply want to search for Legacy and you will see a bunch of companies right here, or in our case, LegacyFX appear on this page. From here, just double click on it, click on Next, and then you simply want to click on the Connect with an existing trade account, enter your login credentials, your password given to you inside your dashboard, and then the right server for that specific trading account. Click on Finish and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.